Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a video tour of our newest listing here at the Isles of Collier in Naples, Florida. This is 6541 Dominica, Unit 201. It's the Oleander Grande floor plan, part of the Coach Home series that you're going to find here at the Isles of Collier by Minto. And this home here is over 2,100 square foot. It is on the second floor. You're getting 2 bedrooms, you're getting a den, 3 bathrooms. Let's check out this beautiful home here. So we have our foyer area here. Right to the left is your entry to the garage space, which you do have a 2-car garage here with the epoxy flooring, and there's multiple additional storage racks, as well as plenty of space for your 2 cars. And you have an elevator access in the garage leading you up to the main living spaces. So now, as we leave the entry up to the top of our stairwell here, we are going to land right next to the dining space. And this door that you see right in front of me, that is your elevator. So that's where you get dropped off from your downstairs elevator. Off to the right here, you have your living areas. To the left, you have your guest bedrooms, your laundry. So here is your laundry space with additional storage cabinets directly across from that. This is your den space here with the nice double doors. Tons and tons of features in this home, like plantation shutters. So that's your den here. This is your guest bathroom here. Your guest bedroom. And this one has its own bathroom as well. So you've got the ensuite setup here with a combination tub and shower, as well as a singular sink. Now coming straight past the dining area here, we come across our kitchen and open great room design. So nice and open kitchen here. And this all overlooks not only your dining space off to the corner there, but your great room area as well. Now off to the corner over here, we have the primary suite. Really lots of spacing here, tons and tons of natural light in this home. And this all overlooks the views, which we're going to get a better look at that here in a moment. Then we have the primary bath here with the dual sinks. You have the walk-in style shower. This is your enclosed water closet here. And then you have a really, really nice size closed closet here with tons of storage availability. Now coming back to the main area, one of the unique parts about this floor plan here is you have the sunroom with all of this natural lighting coming in, and then we have the spiral staircase, and this leads you up to your observatory. So coming up the spiral staircase here, at the very top, you've got some storage space here along the wall. And these folks have made it a nice work area, but you can use your imagination and do whatever you like with the space. Again, tons of natural lighting and windows. And the best part is you have a balcony here. And it is the wraparound balcony option. So from one side all the way around to the other. But this is the best part here. The view of the waterway here at the Isles of Collier. This is a tremendous view here from your coach home. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we will see you next time.